Guys, I'm trying to film my intro again. I'm trying to be really quiet so my parents don't hear me. Are you laughing at me? My family's laughing at me on my birthday. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just got off work, I got all my makeup ready and we're just about to head out. Value Village coincidentally is having its 50% off sale today, so we're gonna go there. Gonna go pick out some stuff that I need. I'm looking for a white collared shirt for my Steampunk Festival costume. I know the Steampunk Festival is all the way in August, but I need to start looking now, and if I do find one, it'll be super cheap. My birthday is on March 4th, today is March 3rd, but tomorrow is a Monday, and Monday is my crazy day at school. So we're celebrating it today. First we're gonna go to Value Village, then we're gonna go to Eastside Mario's, because I really want to eat a bunch of Caesar salad and bread, so we're going to do that. Also, if I have time, I wanna show you guys two things. Oh my God, you cannot see me at all. Okay, maybe that's a little bit. This really cool hat that I got. I was thinking about getting a hat for a while and then I found one for a really good deal at my work. So this is what it looks like here. So you can have it flipped up like that, or you can have it flipped like this. And then I think this looks really Jane Austen-y. I'm almost done my intro, give me a minute. So I'm trying to film my intro again. I'm trying to be really quiet so my parents don't hear me. We're gonna go. Are you laughing at me? My family's laughing at me on my birthday. Da-da-da. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for my birthday haul kind of thing. The majority of the stuff I bought for myself, but I did have one thing which was a gift. So I'm just gonna be going through everything that I bought at Value Village and then also the two things that I got for my birthday. And yeah, let's just get started. First, I'm gonna start off with the item that I got as a gift. So this item right here is from Bath & Body Works. It's from my mom. I had no idea I was getting this. I actually pointed out the set when Bath & Body Works was having its semi-annual sale in January. And there was this set, originally $13, but it was half off, so it was like $6.50 or something like that. 1,000 Wishes perfume bottle. It comes with 1,000 Wishes hand cream, and it comes with a little hand sanitizer. And this is one of my favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. So I'm gonna start off with the thing that I was in the middle of showing you guys, but then my parents cut me off, or my brother, or I forget who it was. But it's just this hat that I got. I don't know if y'all can see it. So this is the hat here. So you can wear it like this, so it looks kind of like Madeline when I wear it like this. But then I can flip it like this, and it looks, if I adjust it, kind of like Jane Austen-y kind of hat. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice. It has this beautiful ribbon here. You can wear it in the back, so this is what it looks like at the back. These are the shoes here, so they're really nice, vintage looking shoes here. And they have this nice design. And they're so comfy. They have these nice soles in here, so they're gonna be nice and comfy. I walked around a little bit in them, and they're not too high of a heel, so it's not too uncomfortable. And it's very squishy, so it's going to not hurt after a few hours in walking in them. I got these shoes because they do look very vintage. They're very basic, but not in a bad way, like a kind of like a wardrobe essential. They really remind me of like a shoe that you would need for theater. So some people said it looks like a dance shoe. I do agree, but I think it looks like a good theater shoe if your director or costume designer is all like, hey, you need basic black shoes, then these shoes, or basic black heels, then these would work because they're not too big of a heel and they're very basic and they're comfy. So that's why I got them for several useful reasons. These were $50. So, but I got these shoes here and they're so comfy and they're so cool and I'm so excited. It's another pair of shoes that I'm going to be doing a vintage inspired lookbook as soon as the snow melts. Yes, it's still here and it's March and the snow is very much still around. So once the snow melts, I will be using these and the other pair of shoes I showed you to make a vintage inspired lookbook. So got this bag for $6, originally $12, and it's just this very small messenger bag. It definitely has a vintage vibe to it. I'm thinking about wearing this for my steampunk outfit as well. However, I did already buy a bag for that, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might, when I get closer to the actual day, decide. I might even get you guys to vote on it on my Instagram story, but I still have till August and it is the beginning of March. So I have plenty of time to decide if I'm going to bring this bag or the other bag. So this is what it looks like here. It's quite small. If you open it up, there's not much space in here. This pouch right here perfectly fits my phone in the front, but then this space here, I can't even fit a water bottle in it, so that's a downside. It kind of goes in weirdly like this, and I don't know how to make it to stop. So I don't know if I should put paper or, oh, well, it looks okay now, but it's going back. Okay, I don't know. So this bag is so cute. I almost didn't get this because why would I ever need this? But then I realized that it's so cute and I can't just let it go. And I'm probably gonna use it in the future. I was thinking maybe even I could do steampunk videos on this channel, doing steampunk outfits, because I don't wear steampunk daily, but I like wearing it, so maybe I'll do some alternative fashion things just for my art and for YouTube. Oh, and as you can tell, it goes with the shoes. So, or at least I think they go with the shoes. I mean, they're not quite the right brown. This one looks a little more scuffed up than this one. This looks a little brand new. But I think that they look close enough since this will be up here and then these will be on my feet. So no one's gonna be ridiculously comparing the colors. It's gonna be shown in my other haul video that I have already filmed, but this one's going up before then. But this is the bag that I'm also thinking of wearing for Steampunk Festival. So there's this one, which looks like a doctor's bag and it looks so cool, versus this one. So what do you guys think? If you guys want to leave a comment down below what I should use. Again, I have months and months to decide, but if you guys could leave a comment down below which one you think is better for the festival and which one you just like better in general. I got it for $2, originally like $4.50, and it's just this, I don't know if I can show it on camera, it's quite big. I just got this green scarf here with like gold keys and coins and all of that fun stuff. It has Canadian money as well as, I think there's a British pence on here. Where's the British pence? I thought it was so gorgeous. I thought it was a beautiful, beautiful green color. I wear a lot of pink and I love the combination of pink and green together, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing this with pink. I might include it in a lookbook in the future. Like I said, once the snow melts, I've already done one video in the snow and that did not turn out well for me. The video looks great. The video looks amazing. However, my hands were really cold after that, so we're gonna wait till the snow melts for that. The next item, which I think is so cool, and I can't believe someone donated this. Like, this is just so cool, but it is just this rose brooch right here with gold. It looks kind of like lace frame, and it looks so cool. And I love it so much. I love brooches. On my coat, I have brooches and pins and all that stuff. So I'm so glad I got this one. I love vintage pins and brooches, so, and I love roses, so that's why I got this, because it's just everything that I wanted, and it's just a cute little accessory. I think I can wear this just as everyday wear, or if I'm dressing up for a festival and I'm dressing in Victorian inspired fashion. I'm saying that a lot in this video, and steampunk and stuff like that. That would be just a cute detail because it is a very Victorian vintage thing to do. That's it for my video today. I am Sophia Lovelace. I post beauty videos, fashion videos, vlogs, and story time. So if any of that interests you, make sure to subscribe down below to be notified when I have new uploads. I upload at least once a week, so you do not want to miss out when I have those uploads. Also watch some of my other videos floating around here. You can also subscribe to my channel. It's either going to be up here or down here, so just click that. Yeah, that's it for my video today, and bye. It's my birthday. I can do what I want.